Hello and welcome to a new episode. This one is gonna be one of my favorites. We're making a really gorgeous, rich, creamy sausage, peas, mushroom sauce with rigatoni pasta. It's called rigatoni alla norcina. Before we move on to the ingredients, the recipe and everything else, don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell to know the most gorgeous Italian recipes on this channel. Ingredients. Put a pot of boiling water on. It's not boiling when you put it on, but it will be. While that's going, prepare your ingredients. We have got mushrooms, onions, sausage, peas, and heavy cream. Of course, a pinch of salt and a scrunch of pepper. So let's get going. Let's chop the onion. You know, it's gotta be one of my favorite things, sizzling onions. I love Spanish yellow onions. We're gonna cut them in half. We're gonna slice horizontally, gonna slice vertically. Then, there you go. We're gonna do a quarter onion. Onions in, some extra virgin olive oil, just about, 2 tablespoons. And now we let it soften up, let it sizzle a little bit until they become translucent. 2 to 3 minutes to the most. Do not burn them though. The onions are sizzling, we cut the mushroom. If you ever go to Rome, one completely underrated areas that people don't quite know about is the area of the Roman castles. That's where all the great farming occurs. That's where you find the porchetta, that's where you find the sausages, that's where you find the great wine, the cured meats. It's really a gorgeous area where a lot of the aristocracy of Rome, including the Pope, has their own villas. I urge you to go, the food is spectacular, and that's where you're probably gonna taste the best pasta alla norcina ever. So there's several variations of this. There's also the hunter sauce, which I've done before, where we add prosciutto ham to this white creamy sauce. But this one with the sausage, never been done before on this channel, and I wanted to show you how simple and delicious this is. Kids love it. Okay, mushrooms in. Whoa. Now at this point, white wine, optional of course. Let it smoke. Raise the flame, medium high. Let the alcohol evaporate. Peas go in. I hear the pasta water boiling. Salt goes in. A little bit in the sauce. And now, bring it back to a boil. Within a few seconds it will be. And you add the rigatoni pasta. Rigatoni goes in. Now, while that's cooking, we go on to our next step. We are going to finish off the sauce within the next 5 minutes. Slice the sausage lengthwise. Get rid of the casing. You want just the meat, okay? Nice and open. We go in. Just put everything in. Smells delicious. Just like you are. Mwah. Okay, so now just get a little spatula, a wooden spoon. Just break it all up. You do not want huge chunky pieces on sausage, okay? Just gonna mix it all together, stir fry. It literally takes 2 to 3 minutes for the sausage to cook. And then the final ingredient with some salt and pepper, okay? And now the heavy cream. Gorgeous. We're gonna let it cook. As long as the pasta is al dente, it'll reduce, it'll get creamy, and remember to always get prepared to save the tears of the gods. If you don't know what that is, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, because we talk extensively about the pasta water, the starchy water that I have named and titled the tears of the pasta gods. Pinch of salt. Remember, some of the ingredients are already salty, such as the sausage. So don't overdo it, you can always add more later. A scrunch of freshly squeezed peppercorns. Gorgissimo, just like you all are. The pasta is perfectly al dente. Switch it off. Now we toss it into the sauce. Okay, a little bit of pasta water always, about half a little full. A waterful of Parmigiano Reggiano. You can never go wrong. It's time for plating this delicious gorgeousness. Look at this, look at this. So beautiful. But I'm going to add a scrunch of pepper. Ooh, smoking hot, just like you want. It's gorgeous, guys. Comment down below if you've ever seen something this attractive in the kitchen other than yourself. Remember, always be your #1 fan. Taste your food, acknowledge yourself. You are powerful. You make miracles, you make other people so happy. Now, I'm going to taste it. Hey, yo, dancing in the cold, rock you, baby. Now this one. I could never believe that I would say this about myself, but this outdid everything ever been made in this kitchen. Comment down below if you've tried it and if you believe it, just like me, that this is gotta be one of the top ever in created Italian dishes. Remember, you are just gorgeous.